felt like the driver, auto driver, first of all he was not behaving correctly. वो बहुत ही shady रास्ते से हमको लेके गया. And when we were constantly asking him कि क्यों इतने खराब रास्ते पे लेके जा रहे हो, he's like नहीं मैडम वो तो हो रहा है. Hello everyone, this is Diksha and this is the whole itinerary for Jaipur. So there are some hidden gems, there are some hidden architectural beauties that you can witness in Jaipur. And this again for Ajmer too, if you are going to Ajmer also, Jaipur plus Ajmer, because we went to Ajmer too. So let's begin. First of all, telling you all the 3 bazaars that I visited: Bapu Bazaar, Johari Bazaar and Chipolia Bazaar. If you want lakh bangles, live lakh bangles, made in front of you, then you can go to Chipolia Bazaar and Johari Bazaar. Bapu Bazaar में मेरे को नहीं मिला, मैंने बहुत ढूंढा. Chipolia Bazaar में मिल गया easily. Johari Bazaar में भी मिल गया. So you can just see whichever is suitable for you. And if you want to see the bangles that I have made and I have got, you can check the Jaipur haul that I've probably posted before this. Next, for all those Pinteresty jhumkas, Kashmiri jhumkas, they are like dirt cheap in Bapu Bazaar. You can find bracelets, you can find jhumkas, you can find bed sheets, clothes, you can find dresses, flowy dresses, you can find like everything that you cannot find anywhere else in the world. And I think the most popular thing there is their jhumkas and their bangles, like alak bangles of course. And I also got those hand painted bangles from Chipolia Bazaar. And the most popular and I think the most things that tourists take is the fridge magnets. So if you want real good fridge magnets, you can go to Jal Mahal. Jal Mahal के सामने बहुत लोग ऐसे they put this छोटे stalls. I would not recommend you guys to take fridge magnets from Bapu Bazaar or Chipolia or Johari, because Jal Mahal के सामने और Amer Fort कहीं भी जाओ tourist places में, I think वहाँ पर ज़्यादा cheaper and ज़्यादा varieties और qualities भी मिलता है. Next, for good buying, like expensive, if you want expensive things, then you can go to Chokhi Dandi. So Chokhi Dandi is like a place, it's like you experience Rajasthani village there. So it's like a recreation of Rajasthan's village and roots. So you enter there is live Rajasthani music going on, you are welcomed with tikka and all of that. So it's really good. I'll be adding some of the clips here. First you enter, you buy a ticket for meal, and जब अंदर जाओगे you can find छोटे shops all over. Free cost mehendi, free cost pochi. I also made a nice pot. I don't have it here today, but I have made a pot, and you can give whatever you like, whatever money you can give, and they will never complain. And then the shops, like some gudiya means the toys, or rice mein likhna, miniature art, miniature likhna, miniature letters, miniature everything. And then there are shops, and there's like a different billing counter. So you go, you check everything, then you go and then you come to the billing counter, and wo beech mein rehta hai billing counter, so you take and you have to pay there, not in the shops. And I think it's really, but the cloth pieces and everything are a little bit expensive. I think मेरे को लगता है कि वो सेम कपड़े जोहरी बाजार बापू बाजार में बहुत सस्ते मिल जाते हैं. But again, if you can't go to Johari Bazaar, Bapu Bazaar and everything, you can also experience live lakh bangles making in Chokhi Dandi. एक छोटा सा again छोटा सा शॉप है, वहाँ पर एक अंकल बनाते हैं, बट वो 10:30 तक ही बनाते हैं. लाइक चोखी दांडी इज ओपन टिल 2 AM in the night, बट जो अंकल है वो 10:30 बजे बंद कर देते हैं. सो यू कांट सी बैंगल्स आफ्टर दैट. सो आई कैन टेल यू दैट चोखी दांडी के लिए नीड लाइक अ सॉलिड 5 to 6 hours. हम तो रात को गए, एंड देन we were like missing out on some things, but then whatever I saw, it was just huge. It was just out of imagination. Then you go there, you try the real Rajasthani meal, which is wholesome. Like, you can go there, you just feel like, oh my god. And they give like yosa, they come and tell yosa, and like, you know, if you have finished one puri, they'll give you 2 puris extra. So it's just like unlimited food. It's like done. It's just like, you can't imagine the amount of food they will give you, and nobody in the world can finish it, because आप जितना खत्म करोगे वो और ज़्यादा ला के देंगे, and it just never ends. Then for City Palace Museum, again you need 4 hours, and please take a guide, tourist guide, because अगर आप ऐसे ही जाओगे, you can't understand anything. अच्छा कोई गए होंगे और किसी को पता होगा, so they might be knowing, but for us we took a tour and it was just like tour guide, and they explained everything really nicely. And City Palace Museum में भूल भुलैया 1 shoot हुआ था. So again, it's like a popular place. अगर आपको पैलेस के अंदर जाना है, you will be needing 4,000 per person. But if you और इसमें म्यूजियम फ्री रहेगा. But if you want to only go to museum and not the palace, you'll be like पैलेस के अंदर सोने का घर, सोने का रूम, शीश महल, real शीश महल, you can witness there. But अगर City Palace, that's children, for children it's 160, and for adults it's 200. And yeah. Then if you want to experience real lassi, like malai without sugar wala lassi, go to lassi wala. It's the best. There are many branches of lassi wala throughout Jaipur, so see. Then if you are Amer Fort, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, Panamina Kund you can see on the way to Amer Fort. And Amer Fort आप सुबह ही जाना, शाम को मत जाना. You cannot, शाम को तो 5 बजे वो बंद हो जाता है. So Amer Fort and Jantar Mantar and everything closes by 5 or 5:30 in winters. हम जनवरी में गए थे तो तब बंद हो गया था, उसके बाद मेरे को नहीं पता. Pachika Gate for all your aesthetic photos. Again, हवा महल शाम को जाना, पट्रिका गेट सुबह जाना. पट्रिका गेट रात को जाओगे कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, हवा महल में फ़ायदा होगा. हवा महल के अंदर आप रात में जाना. If you want those lightings for the outside, then रात को जाना, पर रात में रश रहता है क्योंकि वहाँ पर बापू बाज़ार, चपोलिया बाज़ार मिलते हैं. If you go, रात में बहुत रश होगा and you cannot find those aesthetic photos. हवा महल सुबह ही जाना, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शांत, और बापू बाज़ार वो सब खुला भी नहीं होता है, so that's better. पट्रिका गेट अगेन सुबह जाना, क्योंकि रात को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता और लाइटिंग वहाँ पर अच्छी नहीं है. So yeah. Then you can go to Sheesh Mahal for a nice dinner with your family, because I think the Sheesh Mahal में that candlelight dinner is just like everything, and I know it's expensive but it's worth it. Then हम रुक रहे थे Clarks Amer में, and it was the best ever. I love Clarks. The property was like Chumeshwari, and yeah. And for Ajmer, if you're going, never forget to visit Dargah Sharif. They believe, I don't know, they believe that ki Dargah Sharif mein, whatever wish you pray there, it turns to reality. I have tried it this time. Let's see what happens. I'll give you guys an update on that. Then, of course, Birla Temple is a temple which you can't miss. अगर आप क्लार्क्स में या कहीं पास में रहते हो, you can go to Birla Temple, and पास में ही होता है, and you can go and just रात में जाना Birla Temple को. और अगर ठंडी में जा रहे हो, प्लीज़ wear your socks, because मैं socks पहन के नहीं गई थी और मेरे पैर से जम गए थे. So please wear socks if you're going to Birla Temple at night, and it'll be mesmerizing. It will be really mesmerizing. You'll be just wanting to sit there and just see Kanha ji. It's just like amazing. Okay, and yeah, that's basically whatever. Yeah, so yeah, this is everything, I think, and I'm just gonna tell everything once again, like all the places. सुनना अच्छे से। आज मैं दरगाह शरीफ, बापू बाज़ार, चपोलिया बाज़ार, जोहरी बाज़ार, जल महल, आमेर फोर्ट, लस्सी वाला, चोखी दांडी, सिटी पैलेस म्यूजियम, हवा महल, पच्चका गेट, शीश महल, पन्ना मीना कुंड and Bila temple. Okay, I remembered one thing. So while we were going to Ajmer ka Dargah Sharif, there was one temple, I don't remember the name, and we were going और हम ना एक ऑटो ले लिए because वहाँ पर the cabs visible नहीं लग रहे थे हमको, so we took an auto because we were only 3 to 4 members, so we like auto ले जाते हैं, it will be good, right? And of course fun. And we went by train, we came by train also, and we didn't stay in Ajmer for even one night. We just went सुबह शाम को वापस आ गए ट्रेन से. And when we were going, I just felt like the auto driver, first of all he was not behaving correctly. वो बहुत ही shady रास्ते से हमको लेके गया. And when we were constantly asking him कि क्यों इतने खराब रास्ते से लेके जा रहे हो, he's like नहीं मैडम, वो तो कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रहा है पहला रास्ता, तो हम इसी में जाएंगे and all of that. वो मतलब कुछ नहीं सुन रहा था. Finally पापा was like please stop the car, please stop the auto, and we were like, फिर हम उतरे, we booked Ola, and at last we thought that, and we realized Ola is the best. Ola, Uber, whatever are the best. Car is the best. Auto के साथ मत जाना. So that thing कि टूरिस्ट समझ के किसी को भी कुछ भी वो कर देते हैं या बोल देते हैं. We didn't feel safe. I don't know if it's happened with many or we are the only the ones, but we didn't feel safe. We don't felt right, so we left it. But yeah, whatever. This is the end of the video, and yeah, if you loved it, please like and subscribe to my channel because more exciting stuff are coming. And yeah, bye.